So I've been trying to create passive income for the last 10 years, and some of those have completely bombed, but some of those have taken off and have allowed me to retire by the age of 30. And now I've been able to create my passive income streams to grow to over $100,000 per month. Now here's the thing, I do want to mention that creating a passive income stream or multiple passive income streams does require work in the beginning. Actually, a ton of work. I put so much time and effort into creating these passive income streams, but now they're paying me passively. But it does take work, unlike other YouTubers who say you don't need any work at all to create these passive incomes. You have to create the systems, and then eventually they're gonna start paying you back. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you 7 passive income streams and 7 passive income ideas that you can get started today, and eventually they're gonna start paying you passively. And I'm gonna show you these 7 exact passive income streams that now pay me over 6 figures every single month. Now, if you're looking to get rich quick, if you're looking to create a passive income stream, but put absolutely no work in it, please get off this video. This isn't for you. This does require some work, but this has totally changed my life, and I've been able to leave my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how they can start a full-time passive income business with their computer, with their phone, from anywhere in the world. Again, guys, I was able to leave my job that I absolutely hated to now doing this full-time. Now guys, if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's get into it. Now, passive income stream number 1 is to sell your information or sell an online course. Now guys, if you're an expert in a certain subject, then this is a great place to start because you can literally sell your knowledge. Now, even if you're not an expert in something, you can also document your journey or even help people, because I read a book called Expert Secrets, and he mentions being 1 chapter ahead of someone else. That being said, as long as you know a little bit more than someone in that subject, you can create a course or you can help people get to where they want to be with an online course. Now guys, this is completely passive once you get the course going, right? Once you create the videos, the worksheets, the Facebook group, everything that goes with create an online course, guys, this can be completely passive, right? And then you can have a support team that can help with all the support tickets, and this could be 100% passive. Now, with an online course, again, it does take anywhere from 3 months to 6 months, even a year, to create this online course. Now, the goal with an online course is to help you bootstrap your way to start creating income. Now, as I talk about more passive income streams later on in this video, you're gonna notice that you're either gonna need more time or you're gonna need more money. And I'm gonna kind of go back and forth with the two. With an online course, you really don't need that much money to get started because all you're doing is creating videos. Now, with an online course, there's a few ways that you can sell it. You can do a webinar, you can do a challenge, and you can also put your course on something like udemy.com. You can put it on skillshare.com, and they're gonna sell the course for you. Now, if you're a little bit more advanced, you can put your course on somewhere like clickfunnels.com. You can put it on Kajabi or Kartra, and you can host the course yourself. Now, again, if you don't wanna sell it, you can put it on Udemy or Skillshare, and they're gonna do all the selling for you. Now, once you create your online course, you have to start thinking, how am I gonna sell this course, right? If you don't use Udemy or Skillshare that sells the course for you, you gotta start thinking about, how can we actually sell this thing? And the best way to do it is think about free content or paid content. Meaning, am I gonna buy ads to sell this course, or am I gonna create content on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, blogging? And those are the things you need to start thinking about as you start creating your course. Now, for me, I've created a YouTube channel that has a ton of content that solves a certain problem, and inside that content, I sell my digital course. Now, this leads me to passive income stream number 2, which is starting a blog. Now, the cool thing about a blog is you're creating your own website and you're indexing it on Google. So basically what that means is if people go to Google and they search a certain thing, right? Let's just say you're in the gardening niche and people type in how to grow my garden, right? And let's just say you have a blog on gardening, but the way you make money with that blog is, let's just say you have affiliate links to, you know, Amazon gardening tools or Amazon gardening seeds or whatever that is, right? However you're monetizing that, that's how you start making passive income with a blog. Now, the cool thing is this is completely passive once you get the blog going. Now, it does take a little bit of time to get your blog ranked in Google because you have to prove to Google that you can create content consistently, and you can create content that people are actually looking for. That being said, I started my blog in May of 2019, johnpassiveincomelifestyles.com, and that now brings me traffic and sales every single day because I started that and I kept being consistent with that blog. All right, guys, so this is gonna lead me to income stream number 3, which is starting a YouTube channel. Now, this is gonna be similar to starting a blog because it's completely passive once you get it going. Guys, I'm super bullish when it comes to search engine type platforms like a blog or a YouTube channel, because what you have to understand is this content lives on forever, unlike TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, where you post a piece of content and it goes away after a day or two. With a YouTube channel, you can post a video and that video is gonna last for years and years to come, even for the rest of your life. That being said, people are gonna be watching your videos and you're gonna be bringing in leads, you're gonna be bringing in sales, but more importantly, you're gonna have that passive income stream for the rest of your life. My YouTube channel brings in over $100,000 per month with YouTube ad revenue, with affiliate links inside the YouTube description, with my courses inside of the YouTube description. Now, there's so many ways to actually monetize a YouTube channel, and I have a ton of videos on how you can actually do that, guys. Go check those out, and you can also check out my free course on how to create a YouTube channel, and we'll leave that right here, guys, so you guys can go check that out on in-depth course on how to actually get started with a YouTube channel. Now, if you want to create a YouTube channel without ever showing your face, without ever using your voice, I do have a video on that as well. Go check that out here, guys. But guys, YouTube is probably one of the most important things in my own business, and that brings in a ton of passive income. All right, passive income stream number 4 is affiliate marketing. Now, with affiliate marketing, you're basically selling somebody else's product for a commission. Now, I love affiliate marketing because this is the business model that got me from 0 to 6 figures, and it helped me leave my 9-to-5 job as an engineer. So this is my favorite business model because anyone could get started with this business model in any niche, in any category. That being said, if you love pets, you can sell a pet product that you don't own. If you love teaching people how to make money online, you can sell people a high ticket course on how to make money online. So I love affiliate marketing, guys, because you don't need that much capital to get started. Actually, you can do this absolutely free if you really wanted to. Now, with affiliate marketing, it does take a lot of work in the beginning to get set up. You have to set up your system. Once you get the system set up, then it becomes very, very passive. And that's how I've been able to go from 0 to 6 figures a month, because I set up this system of affiliate marketing. And then from there, now this pays me passively, guys. And this business model has completely changed my life. Now, if you do want to learn how to start affiliate marketing, guys, I have so many videos on how you can get started. But if you want a complete step-by-step, I do have a link in the description down below. It's actually the first link. It's going to teach you exactly how you can get started with affiliate marketing. Now, these 4 passive income streams that I've talked about require more time than money to get started. Now, these last 3 that I'm going to talk about require more money than time. That being said, if you're starting out on this passive income journey, it really depends on where you're at. When I first started, I didn't have very much money to get started, so I had to bootstrap my way. I had to start making money with the first 4 options: creating a course, creating a YouTube channel, creating a blog, creating an affiliate marketing business. These are what got me money, and then I put this money into my actual investing, which I'm going to talk about in the last 3 passive income ideas. This leads me to passive income stream number 5, which is creating a digital product for Amazon. What does that mean? Guys, I've been able to create books on Amazon in the health niche, and those continue to pay me passively to this day. You guys could even look up keto books, intermittent fasting books by Jonathan Montoya, and you'll see that I have a ton of books on Amazon.com, and some of those are paying me to this day, and I wrote those 4 or 5 years ago. Now, technically you can do this by yourself. You don't need any money because you can literally write the book yourself. You can create the book cover yourself, and then you can post that book on Amazon.com or Amazon KDP, which means basically you're a self-publisher, and you can do this absolutely free. Now, if you're anything like me, I'm not a book writer. I do not know how to write, guys. So what I did is I took some of my money that I made from my job and my online businesses, and I paid someone to write the book for me. Now you can go to somewhere like Fiverr.com and you can search for ghostwriters, and they can write these books for you. Now it can cost anywhere from $200 for a whole book up to even $1,000 depending on the quality of the writer. But here's the thing, once you get the book written, you get someone to do a graphic for you, you put that on Amazon, and that's gonna pay you for years and years to come. Now I love this method because you can take the money that you're making from the first 4 passive income streams and put it into something like Amazon KDP or creating a digital product like a book, and have Amazon do all the selling and telling for you. All right, so this leads me to passive income stream number 6, which is crypto investing. Now guys, with crypto investing, you do have to have some money to put into it. I see a lot of people on YouTube talking about putting money into crypto, making millions of dollars, right? But here's the thing, if you don't have any extra money to put into crypto investing, how can you really make a real passive income? So I didn't want to mention crypto investing first because I wanted to talk about making money and then put that money into something like crypto investing. Now, a little bit of my strategy in my online business, in my passive income journey, is I wanted to create a massive amount of income with something like affiliate marketing, starting a YouTube channel, something that didn't require much money, just more time in the beginning. Now I'm making over 6 figures a month, and I don't want that just to be in the bank. So I'm gonna do something like, I wanna put that money into something like crypto investing. Now there's a website called BlockFi.com where you can literally stake your crypto, meaning you can put money in there and they're gonna pay you passively every single month just to put money in there. Now guys, with BlockFi, you can literally sign up, and I do have a link down below, and it's gonna allow you to put money into crypto. And basically it's passive. You don't have to worry about trading it. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff, guys, because you just put your money in something like BlockFi.com, and all you have to do is let the money grow. Now, again, if you don't have that much money to invest, I recommend the first 4 passive income streams to start making money first, and then put that money into something like BlockFi. Now, another thing you could do with crypto investing is just buy and hold. I use Coinbase to buy my crypto. I buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. Those are some of my bigger cryptocurrencies that I buy. Now with crypto, again, I'm not a day trader. I don't go in the charts and look at them every single day. For me, I just put it into crypto and let it sit there. If it goes up, perfect. If it goes down, I'm not worried about it. Because guys, I'm doing this for the long term. I'm putting my money in something that's gonna grow over time, right? Instead of putting it in my bank account where it's literally losing money, I'm gonna put it into something like crypto investing. Okay, the last one, guys, this is passive income stream number 7, is index funds. Now, the cool thing about index funds or dividend stocks is that it'll typically be pretty safe to invest in, unlike something like crypto where it moves a lot more, right? It's a little bit more speculative, so you can drop a lot more. Now with index funds or dividend stocks, you're going to be able to put money into big businesses like Verizon, Apple, AT&T, these big companies where you put your money in and they basically pay you or reward you for investing in their business. Now it's going to be different from like if you put money in and the stock just goes up, right? You're still going to make money there, but basically with dividend stocks is they actually pay you every 3 months or every quarter just for having your money in their stocks. Now, dividend stocks aren't going to make you extremely rich very quickly, but they are going to grow your money in the long term. Now, with index funds, you're basically putting your money in a clump sum of very big stocks, and those are going to naturally go up over time. Now, some of the index funds that I put my money in are the SPEM portfolio or SPEM ETF. There's also the SPDW ETF and the SPLG ETF. Now, there's a ton of places that you can actually buy these index funds. The easiest place is Robinhood. You can literally go to the App Store and download the Robinhood app, and you can find these exact ETFs, these exact index funds. Now, besides Robinhood, you can go to Schwab, Vanguard, Wealthfront. Any of these businesses are going to allow you to buy these index funds. All right, guys, so I hope these 7 passive income streams, these 7 passive income ideas have sparked some ideas for you to get started. Now, which one is the right one for you, right? Like, should you start investing in crypto? Should you start a blog, a YouTube channel? You have to just start somewhere, okay? Start with one thing that you actually enjoy. I recommend starting affiliate marketing or a YouTube channel because it's absolutely free to get started, at least for the most part. You know, there's some tools that you may want to buy, but for the most part, it's not that expensive to get started. Once you start getting money rolling in, once you get those side hustles, you can put the money you're making into something like crypto investing, index funds, where it's gonna literally make you money on autopilot. Now again guys, every single one of these passive income ideas does require some work. You know, maybe something like crypto investing or index funds doesn't require that much work. You know, you basically put your money and let it work for you, but you do have to have some extra money for that, and that's why I explained the first 4 passive income streams. Now guys, if you want to get started on creating a full-time passive income business, I do have a challenge. It's a 3-day challenge that's going to walk you through step by step how you can get started in this industry. Again guys, I was able to go from electrical engineer, literally hating my 9-to-5 job, to a full-time online marketer and affiliate marketer within 9 months of starting this side hustle. Now guys, if you want to learn exactly how you can get started, click on that first link down below, and if you have any questions at all on these 7 passive income stream ideas, please comment down below guys, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it guys, and please subscribe to my channel if you found any value at all, and we'll see you guys on the next video, and God bless.